In this video, I'm going to show y'all what you need to start your decal business. The first thing you're going to need is a vinyl cutter, guys. I use a Cameo Pro. The second thing you're going to need to have is transfer tape. I use the Clear Choice AT75.1. The adhesive vinyl that I use is Oracle 651. And you're going to need a X-Acto knife, a weeding tool, and a squeegee. That's everything you're going to need for a decal business, guys. I'll put the prices and everything in the description. So let's get into it. Okay, guys, this is the decal we're going to create. This is on Adobe. I already made the whole logo. Now I just have to send it to the machine, and that's it. Guys, if you're wondering what settings I use to cut my adhesive vinyl, these are the settings I use. I use Blade Depth 2, Passes 1, Force 12, and 5-speed. This is the logo on Silhouette Studio. I'm about to send it to the machine and we'll be almost done with the whole project, guys. Okay, guys, this is how it's turned out so far. It's looking really good. It came out really crispy. Leave it down in the comment section what y'all think about it real quick. We're almost done, guys. One more to go. Okay, guys, I just did the exact same thing, but now I just did it in black. This is going to be the background, so it's going to make it pop, guys. Right now, y'all see what I'm talking about. This is how easy it is to unweed letters. Usually, if it's anything else, sometimes it can get harder if it's too much details, but this is just a simple thing. So on this right here, how I like to apply the transfer tape is by just cutting out the logo that I have and placing it just on top of the transfer tape without no pressure like this. This only works for small decals, guys, not for large ones. I mean, it could work for large ones, but it's much tougher like that. So after that, you just give it a good squeegee, just like this. And there you go. You got the transfer tape on it, guys. Just like that. Boom. So after this, I'm going to apply it to the background. So the background we're going to use for this is going to be the chrome. So here are the black letters with the transfer tape. I'm just going to remove the letters like this. Boom. And now it's going to be time to apply it to the background. Okay, guys, you're going to want to apply a good amount of pressure here. Okay, guys, this is how it's going to look right now. This is how it looks right now, guys. It looks pretty nice. It has that reflective background with the black letters. Right now, I'm going to go put it onto the window of my car and show you how I apply it as well. Okay, guys, before applying the decal, you're going to want to clean the area. I usually use alcohol. That's what I'm using right now. Alcohol cleans it very well. Preferably, you would want to wash whatever you're doing very well before applying anything. Okay, guys, I'm not going to lie. When it comes to putting the decal on, it is a little bit difficult, but with practice, it makes perfect. What I like to do is put it on one side and go to the left. So I placed it on the right a little bit, and then I started squeezing it out to the left. Don't just place it on there. It will ruin it. But this is how it came out, guys. I don't know if y'all like it or not. You can also put these type of decals on many other things. Right now, I'm going to show y'all. Guys, you can also apply these to any object you want. It does not just have to be cars. It can also be laptops, cups, anything. Right now, I'm going to put one on my laptop. I think it's going to look very nice. That's all it takes to apply, guys. It's easy. Just like that. This is how it looks, guys. Okay, guys, when it comes to getting this $200 price, you're gonna have to buy a used machine, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of options like this Cameo 4 for $85. But I'm not including the computer in this $200 price. I would assume that most people nowadays have a computer by now, by default. But if you don't, you can still accomplish this price by copying a Cricut instead of a Cameo. A Cricut, you can use an iPad or an iPhone or some mobile devices. Y'all have to check out the requirements required to use the software, of course. But this is still possible without having a computer. You can still use your mobile device, not for the Cameo, but for the Cricut, guys. Also, you want to check out used vinyl as well. Like you can see this used vinyl right here. They have a mixture of things. They have everything. So most of the times when you're buying a used Cricut or Cameo, most of the times they're gonna include some vinyl with it, guys. You can also ask them if they have any extra vinyl. So when you're first starting off, you're gonna need practice anyways. So this is perfect because you don't want to be ruining good vinyl anyways. So the used vinyl is perfect for practice, and this is the way you can get the $200 price that I said that you can in the title and thumbnail. But of course, you're gonna have to want to test the machines, make sure everything is going running well. But yes, guys, this is still a very profitable business. You can sell small decals like I showed right now for $10 each. I'm pretty sure your family members will support you. It'll be very easy to get this money back, guys. As you can see, this is really the only thing you need is the vinyl cutter. And if you have a computer, you can get a Cameo, like I said. But if you don't, you can get the Cricut, use the software for the phone, and you can get started like that, guys. It's just about getting started, guys. That's all it is. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully all you enjoyed, and y'all can like and subscribe. Leave any feedback in the comment below, and have a great day.